This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of Irish Rules, which is this beautiful 2021 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. Very ample bow rider with plenty of space to weekend on. It's hard to tell on the video here, but the hull side is a very, very light gray. You can see that slightly when you see the accent to white gel coat to the light gray. It's almost an off-white, very pretty color. This boat is very low hours, packaged with the 400 Mercury Verados and just around 60 engine hours. And there is remaining factory warranty as well as engine warranty and Passport Premier protection added on top of the original manufacturer warranties that are remaining. Boat is in excellent condition. It was optioned with a drop curtain here that attaches to the back of the seat, so that's all usable seating space interior. It helps trap some air conditioning or some heat depending on your climate. This is my personal favorite boat in class due to the amount of space you see here, but also combined with the full windshield with the full beam width and then the side windshields here. So just cruising, you can again trap that air conditioning or just keep the wind off people that are riding, guests or children or wife riding in the back of the cockpit here. Makes it a more enjoyable long ride, and it's a very deep boat, so there's quite a bit of freeboard. Here is probably close to 4 feet of freeboard. That's true walking up to the bow there as well. Both the starboard wing here and the port side wing will fold down at rest, which really opens up this back cockpit to be an awesome entertaining area, swim, or if you imagine backing it up into 2 feet of water or something by a beach, opening that up, lowering your ladder and being able to enjoy the day for quite a long time. There is a optional make fast power sunshade, so that's an electric sunshade that'll power out there. All the high gloss on this boat is in excellent condition. High gloss dinette table, double fridge, and a grill cooktop. All Corian solid surfaces. Excellent helm, dual Simrad displays as well as your Seakeeper control there, and a nice power sunroof. So again, you've got that control of controlling your environment, but also the ability to open that sunroof, open your door, then obviously open the back up, and it feels like you're out on a traditional style bow rider. Let's move to the bow. Note these bar stools, which this backrest does hit at an excellent spot. So I use this very often as forward-facing seats underway, and it's surprisingly comfortable. Large walk to the bow. Worth noting that there's no steps through this entire cockpit all the way out to the swim platform, which makes this entrance to the bow nice and comfortable. Huge wraparound seating, flip down armrest and cup holders, and then ample cup holders around the backrest. This boat is optioned with a forward sunshade that'll clip into these metal receps. Get a bow sunshade, the Mediterranean sunshade. And walking down, currently this is in the berth position. There is a high gloss table under here as well. So if you remove these cushions, you can raise that table to dinette height or lower it to its current position, which gives you the sleeper. It's a very large head for this size day boat. You have about 6.5 feet of clearance in there, and a wet shower as well. And then there's a full, almost king size back here. This is often what it gets used for, go bags to go stay overnight quick and have all of your stuff, and some deck chairs. There is an entertainment package added to this particular boat, as well as the entertainment package here. And this TV will actually remove and go up into the cockpit at the bar, so you can use that as a cockpit TV right here. Face it anywhere you'd like. Again, essentially new, very low hour and balance of warranties remaining on this 42 GLS. Give myself, Brett Mooney, a call anytime. The boat is in Naples, Florida, Hamilton Harbor Yacht Club, with the option of a slip acquisition with the purchase of the boat as well.